So good morning students. Today we will see some more algebraic identities. In the previous videos we have studied about a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, special product x plus a into x plus b. So today we will discuss some more algebraic identities. So see the next algebraic identities. A plus b in one bracket into a minus b in other bracket. What will be the product of these two brackets? We write it a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. We see that in both the bracket, both the terms are same. A is here in the second bracket, b is in the first bracket, b is also present in the second bracket. But we see that what is the sign of the first term in both the bracket? Sign of a is plus here, sign of a is plus here. But sign of the second term, that is b, in the first bracket it is plus, in the second bracket it is minus. So we see that the sign of the second term is opposite in both the bracket. But sign of the first term is same in both the bracket. In this case we can apply this identity. See one example how we can do it. 7p plus 9q, 7p minus 9q. We have to find this product. So we will compare it from the identity. What is in place of a here? 7p. What is b? 9q. Second bracket, 7p is a and b is 9q. We see that sign of 7p is same in both the brackets, so that is a. But sign of the second term 9q is opposite in both the bracket. Here plus sign, here minus sign. What we have to write? We have to write a square minus b square. So a is 7p. We will write 7p whole square. Minus sign b square. B is 9q here. So 9q whole square. We see that here a is equal to 7p and b is equal to 9q. So we will put on the right side a is 7p and b is 9q. 7 square is 49, p square minus 9 square is 81, q square. This is the result. So product of these two brackets is 49 p square minus 81 q square. We have used this identity. So here we see that sign of the first term is same in both the bracket, but sign of the second term, that is b, they have opposite side in both the bracket. We will see one more question based on this identity. X minus 2 by x minus 3, x plus 2 by x minus 3. We have to find the product of these two brackets, but we see that here there are three terms in each bracket. In the identity only there are two terms a and b. So we will consider two terms together as a single term. So which term we will take together as a single term? The term having same sign in both the bracket. Listen again, the terms having same sign in both the bracket, that terms together we will suppose it a. So see here, x sign is plus and 3 sign is minus. X sign is positive here and sign of 3 is negative. So sign of 3 and sign of x are same in both the bracket. So we will take x minus 3 together as a single term and write like this. X minus 3 minus 2 by x. like this. Second bracket, x minus 3, take it together, and plus 2 by x. But b has opposite sign. So 2 by x sign is minus here, 2 by x sign is plus, they have opposite sign, we will suppose it b. So let x minus 3 is equal to a. So we can write here a minus 2 by x. Or x minus 3 we have supposed a plus 2 by x. Now we see that there are two terms in each bracket. We can compare from here. What is in place of a, but what is in place of b, minus 2 by x. b is 2 by x. This part is b. So we can apply a minus b and a plus b is here 2 by x. So we can write what? A square minus b square. Write a square minus b is 2 by x. So we can write 2 by x square. Now we will put in place of a x minus 3. We have supposed here x minus 3 is a. So here we will put x minus 3 is equal to a is equal to x minus 3. So put here a is what? A is x minus 3. Write x minus 3 whole square minus 2 by x square. 2 square is 4 and x square. We will expand this bracket x minus 3 whole square. How we will expand it? Using the identity a minus b whole square. We know that a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we will apply this identity to expand it. What is a here? A is x and b is 3. So a square plus b square means x square plus 3 square minus 2 ab. A is x, b is 3 minus 4 by x square. Simplified, x square, 3 square is 9 minus 3 into 2 6x minus 4 by x square. This is the answer. So if there are 3 terms given, we will take 2 terms together as a single term, and after that we can apply this result. So this is the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now we will see one more algebraic identity. One more algebraic identity. X plus a into x plus b into x plus c. Product of these 3 brackets. X is the first term, it is present in every bracket. A, B, C is the second term. What is the product? We write x cube plus a plus b plus c, x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus a into b into c. We see that in this expansion, what is the coefficient of x square? A plus b plus c. What is the coefficient of x? ab plus bc plus ca. And a into b into c, the constant term. We can write here coefficient of x square is a plus b plus c, and coefficient of x, it is ab plus bc plus CA. This is the coefficient of x. This one is the coefficient of x square. And constant term. Constant term is A into B into C. This is the constant term. If it is asked in the question, find only the constant term, so directly we will write A into B into C. It is asked find the coefficient of x square, we will use A plus B plus C. If it is asked find the coefficient of x, we will use AB plus BC plus CA. Here we will take the values of A, B, C with sign. Suppose here minus A is there, we will use minus A here. So let us see one question. X plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. We have to find this product. So compare with this identity. What is in place of x? X is there, but A is what? A is 1. What is B? B is 2. What is C? C is 3. A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3. And x is x only. If it is asked find the product of x square in this expansion, no need to simplify it. Directly we can use this result A plus B plus C. So what is coefficient of x square? A plus B plus C. So see here, A is what? 1, B is 2, C is 3. It is 6. So if we have to find coefficient of x square, we will use A plus B plus C, because coefficient of x square is A plus B plus C. Put the values of A, B, C, we will get the coefficient of x square. Suppose we have to find what is the coefficient of x, we will write AB plus BC plus CA. Again put ABC values and find the coefficient. We have to find what is the constant term. So constant term is ABC. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. Write here 1 into 2 into 3. We will get the constant term. But if we have to find what is the product of these three brackets, so we will use this identity. It is x cube plus A plus B plus C. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 into x square plus, we have to write AB. AB means 1 into 2 plus BC 2 into 3 plus CA 3 into 1 CA. C is 3, A is 1. X square x plus ABC 1 into 2 into 3. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. So A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. Simplified, x cube, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 into x square, it is 6x square, plus 2 1 ja 2, 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, it will be 11x, 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 6. This is it. So if we have to find the product, we will use the above identity, but if we have to find only the coefficient of x square, directly we can use A plus B plus C. So this is the result of the product of these three brackets using the above identity, x plus A, x plus B, x plus C. Remember here, A, B, C values we have to take with sign. Suppose here minus 1 is there, minus 1 is there, then we will take A is equal to what? Minus 1. B is minus 2 is here. Then B is equal to minus 2. So values of A, B, C we have to take with sign and put on the right side. So let us see one more question. See one more question. Suppose y minus 2, y plus 3 and y plus 5. We have to find the product of these three brackets. Compare with this, what is x? X is y here. What is a? A is minus 2. I told that we have to take the values of a, b, c with sign. So a is minus 2. We will not use plus 2 here. What is b? B is 3 and c is 5. We will put these values on the right side. X cube. X is what? Y. So write y cube. This one c. Y cube plus a plus b plus c. A is how much? Minus 2. Plus b is 3, c is 5. b 3, c is 5. X square plus ab. AB means minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 3. Plus BC 3 into 5. BC 3 into 5. Plus CA 5 into minus 2. 5 into minus 2 into X. And last term ABC. So A is minus 2. B is 3. And C is 5. Simplified. Y cube. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 2, 6 plus 6. So it will be plus 6 x square. Plus multiplied 3 into 2, minus 2, minus 6. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into minus 2, plus into minus, minus. 5 to 10. X plus into minus, minus. 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. Y cube plus 6x square. Simplified. Minus 6 minus 10 minus 16 plus 15 minus 1. So it will be plus into minus, minus, minus x minus 30. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6. 3 into 5 15. 5 into minus 2 minus 10 minus 10 minus 6 minus 16 plus 15 minus 1 plus into minus, minus, minus x minus 30. So this is the result of these three, product of these three brackets using the above identity. I hope that it is clear to you. Next algebraic identities I will tell you in the next video. Okay, thank you class.